Hello, it's time once again for the Sunday night in review market report, HideNet.com. I am Don Oshman, editor-in-chief and publisher, and thank you for watching this current issue. Today, from Europe to Europe, from this week, Andrea Guolo, our European editor, reports from Italy that trading has slowed down due to approaching holidays. August for sure everybody closes, and sometimes July, depends on what the business is like. The UK slaughter is down to an extent that sellers think they can get more money, but they so far have not been successful. UK 36 and up benchmark are still $1.63 to $1.65 for 36 and up. Trim and heifers were down 5 cents on 39 kilos, and 24 to 30 kilos were down 5 cents, and 15 to 25s were down 10 cents. That's a lot. So we go into detail on that in the report, or Andrea does, I should say. Luxury demand for calfskins, they pay what it takes. They have to have them, and that supply is down as well. So talk about supply and demand pushing prices higher. Again, details are in our report. European bulls are steady, which is surprising because of the, but it's not surprising. The European bulls go for automotive business in Europe, and car sales are very good in Europe as opposed to other places like North America and China, where they are coming down sales, and they're expected to come down more in the next 6 months, if not longer. In North America this week, it was a quiet week. Just my hearing aid, I'm sorry. Very informal broadcast, folks. Quiet week. It appears again that more hides were produced than sold. The kill is very heavy because of the 4th of July holiday coming up, where everybody gets a grill out and barbecues. Beef is the most preferential meat, and that's why the kill is high. And also the packers are making a lot of money. Another reason the kill is high. So bottom line on that, we're going to have big kills, 625, 635 a week. That's 625,000, 635,000 a week, and they're making $100, $200 a head. Plenty of cattle, and make hay when the sun shines, or make meat when the cattle prices are right. Sales are down about $1 by traders. We've heard $68 to $69 CNF on 60, 62 pounds in China, and maybe even cheaper. Some packers took $1 less this week. Some packers did not. But you can read the report, and we'll let you know why we think the market, which way it's going to go, and why. That makes the fee that you pay for the market reports well worth what it costs, because one trade can more than easily make you make back your money for a 1-year subscription on one of our reports. So we encourage you to do that, of course. Other steer selections were generally steady this week. Cows were firm, based on really Chinese demand for their domestic furniture business, which is good. Hide export, we have a new chart, graph, that shows you the top 10 exports destinations, and a graph which should be interesting for those who want to know where the hides are going and where the best markets are. Wet blues were up a lot, sales were up a lot this week in the export numbers because of big sales to Italy. And the packers, the producers who make wet blue, needed those sales because they had to catch up. They were producing more than they were selling. So that was good for the wet blue contingent. Slaughter remained strong, as I explained, with the packers, again, knocking them dead. In South America, in Brazil especially, the kill is down due to the JBS issues. It was announced this week that JBS, which was the majority producer down there, sold their Uruguayan, Paraguayan, Argentinian plants to Marfrig, and everything's going fine. They're completing the deal, and all of a sudden the Brazilian judge says, you can't consummate the sale. There's some questions we have about illegal stuff and so on and so forth. So everything's in limbo. Marfrig doesn't know what to do. JBS is still operating, but they need cash, and they're trying to sell them. Also, on that need for cash by JBS, they put their feedlots on the block in North America, which is substantial, and it could get a bunch of money. And so far, the Brazilian government or judges haven't said anything about that. One reason is in North America. In addition to all that, just this week, when it rains, it pours, an American USDA meat inspector said that we can't take any more Brazilian beef into our country because we found they weren't up to quality, up to snuff. So for the packers, that's not good. JBS has the problems with the legal thing now, and now they can't sell to America meat, which is a big market for them. So that's not good. Prices down there in Brazil, it's hard to get a $1.15 TR1 CFR. And before, prices were asking $1.20, $1.18, $1.17. We would call that market down 2-3 cents because Europe has a vacation mentality. Chinese automotive business, which is a big consumer of those hides, is slowing, and they're not finding enough customers. So $1.15 is not easy to get now, and no doubt there'll be attempts and maybe tanners willing to sell a little bit cheaper. We'll find out in the coming week. That too is detailed in our market report. Prices in Argentina are steady. Anyhow, that's about it for this week. Thank you for watching. Again, free trial. You can see everything I'm talking about and much, much more. This information is a teaser. You really need to know in detail what's going on to profit by our information. Thanks for watching.